Naka-move on ka na talaga?
Oo naman, no? Matibay na to. Matibay na matibay na. You asshole! You son of a bitch! Oh, English yun. Sosyal. Guard up! Let's go, mukha mo! Boses malaka ka! Marami kang tato! Ew!
Saan ka dito? Safe? Pero boring? O dito? Delikado? Pero fun. It's your decision. Nasa iyo yan kung paano mo i-live ang iyong life. Bawas wasak para sa pusong waras.
Grabe. Ang laki ng bahay. Sino pupuntahan natin dito?
Smile.
Oops. Sorry.
Relax. Be charming sa parents ng lalaki. Lalo na sa lolo niya.
Sir, may kiliti ako dyan, sir.
Manang paki-follow up po yung cakes na in-order ko for dinner. Baka maliit yung delivery, ha?
Alex!
Hey!
Alright, sige.
Hi, Kuya. Hey. Hi.
Excuse us.
Uy.
Nasuot yan.
Uy.
You look fine.
Are you guys
Look
doing
sexy.
okay?
Careful. Hey, Mom!
Alex, Iho. And who, pray tell, is this fine lady?
This is Sandy, my girlfriend.
Oh my God! Girlfriend! Girlfriend!
Girlfriend?
Welcome to the family. I'm Isa.
She's nice. Oh my God.
Hi,
Hello.
I'm Nina.
Hello, Nina.
Hello, Iha.
God. Hello.
Welcome to the family.
Welcome to our family. Salamat
What's
po.
your last name? Iha.
Veloso. Veloso po.
The Velosos of Cebu.
Yes, but we migrated to the city of Buso-Buso.
Oh, so you must know Doña Juana. How is she?
Doña Juana.
Yes.
I don't know her.
Doña Juana, from the Political Science of Cebu.
I'm sorry po, I don't know Doña Juana. All I know is wanna change. Joke po! Just the labor, Veloso.
I like her.
Labor talaga?
It's about time Alex had a girlfriend with a sense of humor.
Yeah.
Girlfriend.
Hey guys,
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
what's up, bro?
Hey!
Neil,
family.
Alex's brother.
Hello.
Brent?
Hi, Brent. Hello.
Andrew's the name.
Hi.
Rafi.
Hi, Rafi. May kamukha kayong banda, mukha kayong One Direction.
Di ba kamukha nila?
What's this all about? Bakit ako na lang palagi ang nahuli sa balita?
Chief! Hey, Chief.
Hi guys.
Well, Chief, I'd like you to meet Sandy, my girlfriend.
Girlfriend, huh?
Friend, ah?
She's with A&I.
Oh, A&I.
Yes, and she's been our Employee of the Month for 3 consecutive years.
Wow. Ikaw ba yung bumubog sa aking apong walang kwenta? On his first day?
Opo, ako nga po yun, Don Antonio. Medyo may katigasan po kasi ng ulo tong apo nyo, kaya binugbog ko na po.
I'm beginning to like this girl. She tells the truth. Hey, come on. Okay, you got him.
Well, iwan ko muna kayo. I gotta go change. Okay?
Okay.
Ay, Alex. Ay, sorry.
Ayaw mo na yan. Okay?
Aray ko. Ako lang?
Chief, kayo na bahala sa girlfriend ko.
Alex.
Sige.
Alex.